Former Army Commander and leader of the Democratic National Alliance, Sarath Fonseca, participated on the Satana political debate program telecast on our sister channel, Sirasa TV, yesterday.
At the international level, serious allegations of human rights violations are being levelled at the entire nation. As a person who overlooked one of the key factions in this war, you have a responsibility to reveal the reality to the world. If you receive some sort of invitation from the government to make submissions as the former army commander, are you prepared to go before the international community and make clarifications? I am very happy about the fact that I got to overlook the final battle. If the government were to ask me if I am prepared to go forth as the person who overlooked the final battle and say that there were no violations, then I will ask them to first proclaim that I am indeed the commander who conducted the battle, that they took away things that I am entitled to, that they raised my name, but that I am the man who conducted the battle. They must tell the entire country that first. It is still my duty and responsibility as a citizen. I conducted those battles. I worked very closely with the forces and issued instructions. I must take responsibility for those battles. I will accept this responsibility, and on behalf of the army, the war heroes, the motherland and the people, I am prepared to go forward. As the leader of the Democratic National Alliance, do you need an invitation from the government to go before the international community and vindicate the nation? I do not need an invitation from the government, but there are already problems here. There are problems with the government not allowing UN representatives to come here. There are problems with people who are trying to come in not being allowed to come in due to the wants of the Human Rights Commission. If a legitimate investigation is initiated, then the government cannot stop it, and neither can those around the world not get behind it. I do not need the government's permission, but if such an inquiry is legitimately initiated, then I will fearlessly face it like any citizen in this country.
මේ රටේ ඕන කෙනෙක් වගේ මමත් ඒකට මුහුණ දෙනවා නිර්භීතව.